All right, number 8, we want to find the solution of the linear inequality and then express the solution in set notation, interval notation, and then we want to graph the solution set on the number line. So all of these are pretty much overlapping. They do the same thing. So we're going to start out writing this down. We have x plus 1 is less than 3. We're going to start out by putting this in simplest form first. We will do that by subtracting 1 from both sides, so that we just have x and our inequality in one number. So x, bring down our less than symbol, and 3 minus 1 will give us 2. Alright, so this is our inequality form. When we want to do set builder notation, we just add the curly bracket, the variable that we're using, and a vertical bar. So this is the set of all x's such that x has the following characteristics, following restrictions. You know, this is going to be explained right here. And it's whatever you get in your interval form. Okay. So we just put the x is less than 2 here. This is set notation. All we do is put this set symbol around our inequality. So that's set builder notation. So when they refer to that, this is curly brackets is the set of all x's such that x is less than 2. So all the numbers where x is less than 2. So that's the first one that we're asked, set notation. They already have it here. We just have to put our simplified inequality. So x less than 2. Alright, now we want to do the solution in interval notation. Alright, so in order to help you with interval notation, I like to do the number line first. So I'm going to do the number line, which is what they asked for last. Here's the number 2. That's the number 2 we have in question. All of your x's are less than 2, which means we're going to the left. All right. So since this inequality symbol does not have an underline, we're going to be doing parentheses going this way, and I would be shading this number line going all the way to the left, which goes to negative infinity, because everything less than 2 goes that way. And on infinity, you will never put a bracket. You always put parentheses on infinity. So our interval notation will be like this: negative infinity up to positive 2, and you do parentheses. Again, we do parentheses because we do not have the equal to, the underline below it. If we did, we would use a bracket instead of parentheses. So our interval notation will be negative infinity up to the number 2 and close parentheses. And then lastly, we want to do our number line. So A looks pretty good. They just do the arrowhead. They don't actually close it off. These two at the bottom have brackets, so they're definitely out. A is the only one, or the closest one at least, the exact one that we need. So A is the one that matches our description.